Are you running a home service business and wants to add your Facebook lead to Google Sheet? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send Facebook home service leads directly to Google Sheet. And here I'm using Pabbly Connect for building this amazing automation which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So in this video, as soon as I will receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads, I'm going to add the details of the lead in the Google Sheet. So if you also want to create this automation for your home service business, then let me take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now let's create this automation by using which I'm going to add my Facebook leads to Google Sheet for home service business. So now let me firstly show you how this automation is going to work in real time so that you can understand it's working for your home service business. So for that, let's move on towards my lead ad testing tool page where I'm going to fill my Facebook lead ads form. So here I'm landed to my Metaphor developers lead ad testing tool page where it is asking me to select the page and the form. So on my Facebook account, I have already created this page, that is the magic makers, which I'm going to use. So here I'm going to select my page from this drop down, that is the magic makers, and afterwards I'm going to keep my form as new leads, which is already selected. Now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on my test mode. So as I have clicked over this delete lead, my lead has been deleted. Now let's click over this preview form button, and here you can see I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill. So here you can see I have filled this form providing email demo@pabblytudes.com, first name demo, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, and by this way we have received a test entry. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether my data is getting saved over there or not. So here you can see I have created this spreadsheet named as Facebook leads where I'm getting some of the fields such as full name, email, phone number and the city. And here you can see I'm getting the same data which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form, that is full name, demo user, email, demo@pabblytudes.com, phone number and the city. So now you have seen that how my Facebook lead is instantly adding to my Google Sheet. So now you can also create it for your business too. But before that, let me show you the surprise which I have bought for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and automate your business by using Pabbly. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code STUYT and get heavy discounts and take your business to the next level. And now for creating this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect by tapping its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch, then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow, then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I am providing it the name at Facebook Home Service Leads to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are getting this pop-up that is workflow created successfully, and we are landed to our workflow page where you might observe this option of adding the trigger. So Pabbly Connect basically works on two components or two applications, that is trigger and action. So trigger is the first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow, and action consists of the application where we are going to perform some task. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook lead ads. So here you can see I'm landed to this trigger setup page where I'm going to select my application, that is Facebook lead ads. Now I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you have to click over this connect with Facebook lead ads by simply selecting this button, that is add new connection, and make sure to log in your Facebook account firstly before building the connection to get a smoother experience. And here, as I have already built in my connection, I'm getting this option for selecting my Facebook account. As I have selected it, I'm going to allow the access for Pabbly, and here my connection has been built in so smoothly. And here we are getting two fields, that is for selecting the page name and the lead gen form. So from this drop down I'm going to select my page name as Magic Makers, which I have recently shown you, and now I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all lead gen forms also, but I'm going to select new leads. Now I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that we can get the response in a simple format. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and as I have selected this button, its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, let's move on towards my new lead ads form where I'm going to make a test entry. So here I'm landed to my Metaphor developers page, where on the resources you will be getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And here I'm landed to the developer tools page where I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTU debug tool. And as I have selected it, I'm landed to my lead ad testing tool page again, where I'm going to select my page, that is the Magic Makers. And now I'm going to keep my form as new lead. Now I have to delete my previous lead, but as of now I don't have any lead, so I'm going to just click over this preview form button. And here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill again. So here you can see I have filled this form providing email test@pabblytudes.com, first name test, last name user, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue button and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether it's capturing the data or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect, 9 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, with all the details of the lead which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So as we are successfully capturing the data, which shows that we have successfully added our trigger app. Now let's send this data to the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheet. So for that you just have to click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheets. Now let's click over this app event, and here I'm going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over the save button, and here we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So from this drop down I'm going to select my spreadsheet, that is Facebook leads, where I have recently added my data, and now I'm going to enter the details of my leads in these fields. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually do it, but no, I'm going to perform mapping. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data which you have received from your previous application so that you can make your fields dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, as this is my previous step. So the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map and use this slash symbol, and you will get all your previous application. So from Facebook lead ads I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space and map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the email address of our lead. So here I have mapped it as well. Now let's map the phone number. So here I have mapped my phone number as well. Now let's map the city. So here I have mapped the city of my lead, and these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to manually enter the lead details. The data will be automatically get added as soon as a new form will be submitted. Now let's click over the save and send test request for sending the test data to the Google Sheet, and here we are receiving a positive response. So now let's move on towards my spreadsheet and check whether we are receiving the same data over there or not. So here I'm landed to my spreadsheet, where you can see I'm getting the same data which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. And here you can see the full name, test user, email, test@pabblytudes.com, the phone number and the city as well. So now you have seen that within few minutes I have created an amazing automation which is saving my Facebook leads to Google Sheet. So now you can also automatically add your Facebook leads to Google Sheet by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code given on the screen and get heavy discounts for purchasing the Pabbly. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.